when I was young, I was very big, very fat. So and Chinese name call me Pao. It's like a canyon. My mom speaks Shanghainese. It's called me Apo. In the embassy, everybody call me Po. I thought it's an English Po. It's not Shanghainese Po. My father went to Australia American embassy. When I get there, everybody call me, what's your name? I said, okay, my name is Paul. And that time I want to learn English. Then I go to the night school. Then the teacher asked me, what's your name? I said, my name is Chen Gong Sing. No, your name is Stephen. I said, okay. Embassy, Paul, school, Stephen. Then I went to the some worker. Then my friend bring me there. Then do this guy have an English name? No. Okay. He used his name, put on my name. His name called Jack. In Australia, I have a Paul, Stephen, Jack. Then Jack. After 9 months, I know a little bit English because Jack Chan, no rhythm, just like a fighting. Then I put a Y, the Jackie Chan. Then after that, when I make a movie, after famous, I signed to Golden Harvest, and the Golden Harvest said, Jackie, you're too strong, too man. You have to change a little bit. Then they take out the Y, they put the IE. So you see 80s, my poster still J-A-C-K-Y. But after 80s, always J-A-C-K-I-E, Jackie Chan. Believe it or not, after I changed IE, my career just boom, 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 boom.